So guys, today I'll be demonstrating on how to administer oral medication. But first, we must ask the patient to identifiers to confirm if they are the patient. Second is ask if they have any allergy for food, medication, latex, and etc. So, and we must prepare our materials needed for the oral medication. We need this measuring cup for the medication and the medication. So, let's start. If gusto ng pasyente na nakaupo siya, paupuin lang siya. If gusto din ng pasyente na nakahiga siya, pahigain siya. But in left lateral position or side-lying position para ma-swallow niya yung gamot. And you need to support the patient and guide the patient in taking the medicine in order it to properly take the medicine. But in today's demonstration, the patient will be sitting. So ma'am, I'll be giving you a liquid medication today. So I'll be preparing the medication for So this is the medication and it measured 150 ml. So ma'am, please take the medication now.
Is this clean?
Yes, ma'am. So it's already gone and taken by the patient. So let's take that. Remember, if tablet medication is given, you must check the mouth part of the patient in order to check if he already swallowed the medicine, just like this. So, he swallowed already. If patient do not want a tablet medication, use a pill crusher in order to para maihala mo siya sa food ng pasyente para ma-take niya yung gamot sa kanyang body. So that's it. Thank you for watching.